Hey DJ, so here's Study Island. You have, if you go to your home screen in Study Island, it's going to look like this. Now, I can either assign stuff to you or we can, you can work through it at your own pace. If you want to work at your own pace, you're going to go over here and you're going to click OK Programs. It's already on 8th grade standards mastery. And if you click this drop down box, there's math, ELA, science. Those are the three that you're going to test over. And so what you can do is you don't have to do the diagnostic test, but what you can start doing is you'll go down here and you'll click exponential expressions. There's a lesson. If you want to go through the lesson, you can. You can click practice right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to start giving you practice questions. And the goal is for you to get 70% on this before it gives you a blue ribbon. And then once you have your blue ribbon, you can move on to the next one. If you don't do well on this one and you continue to not do well on this one, it's going to backtrack you and give you a lesson over something else. So that's what I want you to start working on, is just going down this list and getting all of these completed to show me that you can master this. So for the rest of this week, go ahead and try to work on all of these in numbers in operations. Okay, and then next week we'll try to do a bunch of these. And so that's what I want you to be working on. If you have any questions or you need any extra help, just let me know. Then you have ELA. You can go in here and do your ELA. Just go through here and just start clicking through and taking all the little quizzes and stuff on here. And then we have science as well, so you can go and you click science and it talks about all of the different things that you need to know for science. So let me know if you have any questions.